everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Shardemarie. Don't forget to subscribe as well as thumbs up this video if you enjoy. And from the title, as you guys can see, today we are doing our first Boxycharm video of the year. Yay! So I recently just got my January Boxycharm, so I want to show you guys what I received in my box this month. So if you are anticipating or excited to see what I got this month, then continue to keep on watching. Okay guys, so this is my box for the month, and the theme of this box is called Refresh. So this is what the card looks like. So let's dive deep into our little goodie box. So as you can see, my makeup is basically done, but I am missing something. Do you know what I'm missing? Do you know what I'm missing? I am missing bronzer, okay? And I'm so excited about this product because this is actually a product that I have on my wish list on my Sephora account. And oh, I'm so happy I got this. So this is from LYS Beauty. This is their No Limits matte bronzer, and this is in the color dark. I guess it's really called Strength, which is in the dark arena. And I believe LYS is also a black owned business as well. I know the owner of this brand, she used to work for, I believe, Cosmetics, and then she ventured off to create her own line. So I think that's the story behind the owner of this company. But either way, I'm excited because, like I said, this is already in my wish list on my Sephora account. So I'm just so excited. My gosh. And this retails for $18. And it says it's a velvety in texture. This clean, easy to blend bronzer delivers a sun-kissed glow and stunning dimension that pulls your look together with a natural matte finish. So this is the packaging. Again, it has that reflective packaging like Natasha Denona in this rose gold color. And it does come with a mirror. And then this is the color right here. So I have my handy dandy brush. This is my BH Cosmetics 126 from the Black and Gold collection. Now let's test this out. Hopefully this is not too dark for me where it started looking muddy. That's what I'm hoping for. So okay, so this is what the bronzer looks like. Just need to do a little bit more blending down here at the bottom. But all in all, the color fits me perfectly. So thank God. Thank God. Because as you guys know, in another Boxycharm video I got a foundation stick from Trestique. And it was just not my color. But I used it as a cream bronzer. But yeah, I love this. It glided on very smoothly. Like I said, it matches my skin tone with my type of bronzer very well. And yeah, it doesn't look muddy. It's not red. It's a perfect bronzer for me. Now, this would probably be better if I had like a full face of makeup on. But I just did like my everyday makeup routine. But you guys will see that video. It's coming up next after this one, I believe. So you guys will see what I use on an everyday basis. But for all in all, this is a win. So next product we're going to test out is this Dragon Beauty lip liner. This retails for $18 as well. It says contour, reshape, and create your ultimate lip fantasy with the extra long, I'm sorry, it's 3 X's. Extra long lip pencil. So this is in the color 2.0 CC. I don't know if that's all their names of the colors of the lip liners, or if this is just the only one. I'm not sure. But this is how long the pencil is, and this is what the color of the lip pencil looks like. If you guys can see, so it's like a very light brown lip color. I prefer my brown lip liners actually a tad bit darker, but we want to test it out anyway. And this also comes with a lip pencil sharpener as well, so I can just add this pencil sharpener to my collection. But let's see what this looks like on my lips. Okay, so I will say this. This actually just matches my skin tone. Like, there's no depth to my lips. So this is probably better for people who are more on the medium. Well, I guess I'm more of a medium deep tan side. So like a light medium down to fair. This is probably better for them because I don't see anything on my lips really, because it's just too much of my skin tone. However, the formula of it is very smoothing. It glided on my lips very nicely. There was no tugging, no pulling, but you can't see the lip pencil on me personally. So unfortunately, this is going to be a pass for me. I'm just going to go ahead and pass this along to my little sister, because if I stated before about my little sister, she is 10 times lighter than me. So this will probably fit her lips better than mine. So next we're going to test out another lip product. This is from Item Beauty, which I believe is the what's her name? Addison Rae. This is her line, and this is the lip oil in Come Through, and this retails for $14. It says thanks to good for you ingredients like jojoba oil, almond oil, Camilla, I don't know, some word I can't pronounce, seed oil, and shea butter, this luscious gloss forms a juicy boost of hydration that keeps lips soft and kissable. Did y'all hear my country accent come out? So this is what the color looks like. So it's not a clear gloss, but hopefully it's not that much of a color payoff. So this is what the lip oil looks like. So there is a bit of color payoff, but not something overbearing. If you just want to have a hint of color on your lip, but not have like a full-on lip gloss moment, then this would be for you. But let's test this out. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, it smells so good. Oh yeah, I can see the hint of the color, but it's not something overbearing. It sort of kind of blends in nicely with my natural lip color, so I love that. The smell is amazing. I've never purchased anything from Item Beauty. I've heard about it all through the tube, but it personally just never intrigued me. However, this is another win in my book. This is another win. So I have 2 more items, but these 2 items I will not be trying out because they're skincare items, and I already have so many skincare products that I'm trying to go through in my what's that called? Medicine cabinet. So I don't know when I will ever test these out, but they will get tested somewhere down the line. So the first product is this Derma Select Eyelid and Dark Circle Corrector. I have something from them. Again, I think it deals with the eyes as well. But this is a corrector. What I have already with them is just a eye serum, I believe. And this retails for $59, okay? And it says powered by multi-peptides and tightening agents. This excuse me, this eye treatment targets puffy eye bags, dark under eye circles, and droopy eyelids. So this is what the packaging looks like. You twist the cap and it has that metal component that you just wipe under your eyes. It's similar to, I believe, Huda Beauty's skincare line has something like this. I think Fenty has something similar to this with this metal packaging. And then I have something else in my collection as well that I just recently picked up that I got in my Boxycharm last month. This tinted and brightening eye cream that has that metal packaging as well. So I'm excited to test this out. You use this day and night, twice. Well, actually you use this twice daily, so mainly day and night. And you should see results if you consistently keep using it, which I don't consistently use my skincare products. And last but not least, in my box this month, I got another pharmacy product. I love pharmacy. I'm so sad that my Deep Sweet toner is almost gone. I'm going to have to re-up on that after I finish the rest of my toners. But I'm excited to get another pharmacy product. This is the Feeling Good Hyaluronic Acid Plumping Serum. And this is a skin plumping micro-filling serum that hydrates and smooths the look of fine lines. So, this is what the packaging looks like. It comes in this cute little... It's not glass, this is a plastic bottle. And you use this also day and night after you clean your skin. And it comes with a little pump. And it's just a serum, which I'll most likely start using this very soon because I'm almost done with my Daily Ink serum. That's almost gone. So yeah, this will be in rotation very soon. And this retails for $44. So let's add up everything that we got in my box this month. So this month's box retailed for $153. The most expensive thing in this box was the Derma eyelid and dark circle corrector. That was, like I said, $59. That was the most expensive thing. So let's talk about the elephant in the room. So last year, the box was $25. I got an email probably back in November that the prices of the box were going up. So now the box is no longer $25. It's basically close to $30 now. However, I still think it's worth it because you're getting full-size items for way over the price. The only, like, 3 items were under $30. So if you didn't want to purchase the whole thing, but you didn't want to spend $59 or $45 for an item, you still have 3 other items that's under $30. But to get 5 full, is it 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah. Yeah, to get 5 full items in every month for only $30, that's costs way over $100+ every single month. I definitely think it's worth it. So yes, the price went up, but I still think it's worth for you to try it out if you are interested in getting a Boxycharm. So yeah guys, that is going to be the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this Boxycharm unboxing, and if you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, as well as subscribe and turn on your bell notification to get notified when I upload my next video. Thank you guys so much for the support, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!